In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate picture in InVideo. If you've ever wanted to straighten a slightly crooked photo or add a dynamic tilt for style, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it with accuracy and confidence. First, log in to InVideo so you're on your dashboard and ready to work. Being signed in ensures your projects, assets, and edits are all available and saved to your account. A current browser and a steady connection help keep the editor responsive, so your adjustments feel smooth while you work. Next, open your project. Choose the one that contains the image you want to adjust, and let the editor load completely. You'll land on the canvas and timeline view, which makes it easy to see your scene and the layers you're working with before you start rotating anything. Now click on the image you want to edit. When the image is selected, you'll notice a bounding box around it on the canvas. That box has small handles at the corners and sides. This is your visual confirmation that the image layer is active, so any changes you make apply to the right element. Find the top handle point on that bounding box and click it. This is the rotation handle. As you hover over it, your cursor typically changes to a curved or circular arrow, indicating you're about to rotate. Click and hold so you maintain steady control of the angle throughout the movement. Drag the handle left or right to rotate the image. Move slowly for subtle, precise adjustments, or a bit farther for a bolder tilt. You'll see the change happen in real time on the canvas, which makes it easy to judge the look. If you're on a trackpad, a gentle, consistent motion helps avoid overshooting the angle you want. Keep an eye on the edges of your photo while you rotate, making sure important details stay within the frame and the composition feels balanced. As you rotate, use the angles being shown as a guide. InVideo displays a small on-screen indicator that tells you the exact degree of rotation. This is incredibly helpful for matching angles across multiple images, dialing in a tiny correction like 1 to 3 degrees, or hitting clean values for a neat, intentional look. It also makes it simple to return to 0 if you decide to undo the tilt for a perfectly straight image. And that's it. You've logged in, opened your project, selected your image, grabbed the top rotation handle, dragged to set the angle, and used the on-screen degrees to fine-tune the result with precision.